包包means package. If you have friends or if you have another person that stay in another province or another country, that when they send a package to you, you can say 小包. For example, 昨日親から小包をもらいました。昨日親から小包をもらいました。Which means I got a package from my parents yesterday. Or yesterday I got a package from my parents. Or you can say お母さんに小包を送りました。お母さんに小包を送りました。Which means I sent a package to my mother. 友達から小包をもらいましたか？友達から小包をもらいましたか？ Which means, did you get a package from your friends? Something like this. And it's about how to create a sentence by using 小包. 小包 is mean package. Or if you want to send a package, so you should go to the post office, right? So you can say, 私は小包を郵便局に持って行きます。私は小包を郵便局に持って行きます。Which means, I will take a package to the post office.